All right, our focus question. So Emily wants to paint the front of her dollhouse. She wants to paint it all the same color. So we have our roof from yesterday, but she also wants to paint the bottom. So we're gonna have to figure out the area of all of the parts of the dollhouse of the whole front that she wants to paint. So we're gonna first find the area of the bottom of the dollhouse. So the area down here of this rectangle, the area is base times height. When you have base times height, remember, this right angle will actually help us and connect to the base and the height. So base times height, 5 times 7. So the area, if we have 5 times 7, is going to be 35. And that's going to be inches squared. So this we did 5 times 7, and that equaled 35 inches squared. All right, now let's take a look at the top. So the top is just like what we did yesterday. Base times height divided by 2, or half of the base times the height, because triangle is just half of a rectangle or half of a square. So the right angle will connect the two sides. Remember, this is not a slant side. That's not being connected by the slant height. That's not being connected by our right angle there. So our height is 2, and our base is this whole thing, which is the same as this, so it's going to be 5. So we have 5 times 2, which is 10, and then 10 divided by 2. So we could do 5 times 2 equals 10. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. So then our answer is 5 inches squared. Now we're going to add them up. So we're going to add 35 and 5. So what you can do is put 35 plus 5 equals 40. So our answer is 40, and then you'll write inches, and you can put squared. So inches squared. So our answer is 40 inches squared. And that's going to be it for our focus question. Great job.